Database testing interview questions. First question, what is data? Collection of information or collection of raw facts. Next question, what is database? It is a collection of related data. Next question, what is DBMS? Database Management System. DBMS means Database Management System. It has different types: hierarchical model, network model and relational model. Next question, what is RDBMS? RDBMS means Relational Database Management System. It is exclusively used to establish the relationship between two database objects and it supports one-to-one relation, one-to-many, many-to-one and many-to-many. Next question, what are the features of RDBMS? First one, data is stored in tables. Intersection of rows and columns will give only one value. Next, relation among data is established logically. Next, there are no physical links among data. Next, there is no data redundancy. Next, high security for data. Next, it supports all types of data. Example, numbers, characters and data images, etc. Next, it supports null values. Next, supports CODD rules. Next, it supports integrity constants. Next, multiple users can access data from any location. Next question, what is record? Record is nothing but collection of information or data. Next question, what is table? Database table consists of rows and columns for storing set of records. Next, what is SQL? Structured query language is used to communicate with a database according to ANSI. ANSI means American National Standards Institute. It is the standard language for relational database management systems. Next question, what ID DDL? DDL means data definition language. It is subset of SQL used to define the database structure. DDL commands are create, to create objects in the database; alter, alters the structure of the database; drop, delete objects from the database; truncate, remove all records from a table including all spaces allotted for the records are removed; comment, add comments to the data dictionary. Last one, rename, rename an object. Next question, what is DML? Data manipulation language. It is a subset of SQL used for managing data within schema objects. DML commands are select, retrieve data from a database; insert, insert data into a table; update, update existing data within a table; delete, deletes all records from a table; the space for the records remain; merge, upset operation, insert or update; call, call a PL/SQL or Java subprogram; explain, plan, explain access path to the data. Next question, what is DCL? DCL means data control language. It is a subset of SQL used to control the data. DCL commands are grant, gives users access, privileges to database, revoke, withdraw access, privileges given with the grant command. Next, what are the important RDBMS that use SQL? Important relational database management systems that use SQL are Oracle, Sybase, Microsoft SQL Server, Access, etc. Next question, what is SQL Server? SQL Server is a relational database management system RDBMS developed by Microsoft. SQL Server runs on TSQL, Transact SQL, a set of programming extension from Sybase and Microsoft that added several features to standard SQL, including transaction control, exception and error handling, row processing, and declared variables. Latest version of SQL Server is SQL Server 2012. Next, what is Oracle? The Oracle database is an object relational database management system or DBMS developed and marketed by Oracle Corporation. Next, what is MySQL? MySQL is an open source relational database management system. It is very fast, reliable and flexible database management system. Next, what is database testing? Verifying data integrity, data consistency, data comparison and data backup and recovery operation. Next, what is data comparison? Comparing the data, it can be front-end data with back-end or database, table data with Excel sheet data, etc. Next question, what is database backup and recovery? Taking the data backup from database management system to secondary storage devices like CD-ROM, DVD, tapes, USB drives, etc. Data recovery from secondary storage devices to database management system. Next question, what are the different stages involved in database testing? In database testing, we need to check for the field size validation. Next, check constraints. Next, indexes are done or not for performance related issues. Next, stored procedures. Next, the field size defined in the application is matching with that in the database. Next question, what steps does a tester take for testing stored procedures? The tester has to go through the requirement as to why the particular stored procedure is written for and check whether all the required indexes, joins, updates, deletions are correct comparing with the tables mentions in the stored procedure. And also, tester has to ensure whether the stored procedure follows the standard format like comments, updated by, etc. Next question, how to check a trigger is fired or not while performing database testing? It can be verified by querying the common audit log, where we can able to see the triggers fired. Next question. How to test data loading in database testing? Using with query analyzer, we can test data loading. We have to do the following things while we are involving in data load testing. First one, know about the source data, tables, columns, data types and constraints. Next, know about target data, tables, columns, data types and constraints. Next, check the capability of source and target. Next, open corresponding DTS package in SQL, Enterprise Manager and run the DTS package if we are using SQL Server. Compare the columns data of source and target. Check the number to rows of source and target. Update the data in source and see the change is reflecting in target or not. Next, check about junk characters and nulls.